What's up everybody? Welcome to Queer Girl Straight Skates. Today I'm going to teach you 5 beginner skate tricks. Now we are out in the public, so there might be a little extra noise, so sorry about that. So the 5 tricks that we're going to learn today, I don't necessarily know the names of, so if you know the names of these tricks, comment down below and I'll adjust. Okay, so this first trick that I'm going to teach you, I like to call it like a zen, but while rolling. So what you're going to do is you are going to bend your knees, you're gonna go onto one leg, and then you're gonna pick the other leg up and you're gonna put it over your knee, and then you're going to kind of go into a zen position here, but you're going to be doing this while rolling. So, your first move is going to be making sure you can balance on one leg. So as long as you can balance on one leg while rolling and you can pretzel yourself up a little bit into this position, then you should be able to do it. So let me show you it right now. When I'm doing this, I like to skate for a little bit of time first before I actually go into the movement to make sure I have my bearings. And then I'm gonna go, okay, I put my leg up, put my hands out, and I'm like, I am zen and I am rolling. Killed it. Okay. Yeah, so zen. This next move that I'm gonna teach you reminds me of my time in ballet. So what you're gonna do, it's called like an arabesque while gliding thing. So you're going to make sure that, again, you can balance on that one foot, whichever foot is most comfortable for you. You're going to be rolling on that foot, and then what's gonna happen is you're gonna kick up your leg behind you, and whoa, and you are going to put that leg as high as you can. You can bend this knee in the front, and then I like to put my arm out in front of me, so I have this nice little vignette as I am skating along. It makes me look like I'm maybe surfing in the air, or maybe that I'm a figure skater and moving. So I'm gonna show you what that looks like from the side. That. And you definitely wanna make sure that you have your balance first before you put that leg up. And then you're also gonna have to be really careful to counterbalance your weight when you are putting your leg up. Moving your body forward is going to make you feel more, I don't know, like legit.
Right by the dumpster can.
Right by the dumpster can, because I'm trash. Yeah, okay. So the next trick that I'm going to teach you is actually going to be a jumping trick. So what you're going to do is you are going to skate forward. As you are skating forward, you are going to jump up. You're gonna click your heels together and then land. So it sounds super scary and it looks super scary, but it is way easier than you think. So it's just like this. The thing that's really important about this move is that you're keeping your legs, whoa, that you're keeping your legs super bent going into the move and then super bent on the landing. That's going to help you to land it. Now people often think that this actually like will trip yourself, but it doesn't trip you. And I remember the first time I tried it, my mind was blown, so you should try it today and tell me if your mind is also blown in the comments. All right, so the next trick that we're gonna learn is, it's actually just like a fun little skating leg up doohickey. Sounds like a good name, huh? I should be in the like trick naming business. So what we're gonna do is we're actually going to skate by an object. This object, if you're like a super beginner, you might wanna start by doing it on a curb, but I'm gonna do it on a bench right now. And what you're gonna do is you're just gonna bend your knees, and as you're skating, you're definitely gonna want a little bit of speed. You're going to lift your leg up and just ride that item on the side with your lifted up leg. So you're balancing again on one foot, and then you lift up your foot closest to the item, and you are going to put that foot on top of it, let it ride for a second, and then put it back down. Now with this trick, it's really, really important to make sure that your weight is on that one foot that you're balanced on. So you want to make sure that you're completely balanced on your standing foot that's rolling, and you should be able to do anything with this other foot. And so what you're gonna do with the other foot, while you have all the weight on your rolling foot, you're just gonna pick it up and you're just gonna kind of let it roll on whatever item, whether it is a curb or a bench or anything that's flat that is below waist height. So let's try it. Make sure you have your knees super bent. Super fun. Impress your friends. So the last trick that I'm going to teach you is actually called a manual, and that's the real name for it, for reals, for reals. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to be rolling, and when you're rolling, you're gonna have your back foot, you're gonna be up on your front 2 wheels. On your front foot, you are gonna be up on your back 2 wheels. So I'm gonna cheat and use my toe stops right now, but essentially you're gonna be in this position, but you're not gonna be attached to your toe stops like I am right now. You're going to be standing in this position and you're gonna be rolling. So you are going to really, it's super important that you keep your center of gravity on this one. And also, it's really important that your toe stops are up a little bit higher. So like literally right now, I just raised up my toe stops to make sure that I would be able to do this, because when your toe stops are too low, you might go high back into this manual in the back and then hit your toe stop and like kind of lose your balance. And so you wanna make sure that you really find that even balance right here in the middle. Yeah. But it's really empowering when you get it. It feels really cool. You do it on either foot too. Thanks so much for watching this episode of Queer Girl Straight Skates. I hope that you learned 5 new beginner tricks, and tell me when you've tried them and you mastered them below in the comments. I want to hear from you, and I also want to know what other tricks you want to learn how to do. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you want to support me further, you can become a Patreon. The link is in the description bar below. It really helps support me create this content. Or you can buy some super cool stickers on my Etsy. And most importantly, cheers to the queers!